yellow cat. Which one do you think tastes better? Let me know. Flathead or blue? What is up, YouTube? Good morning to you. My little girl and I came out yesterday afternoon to catch a little bait and do a little fishing. We got the bait, but we didn't get to go fishing. Lightning storms moved in, a little bit of rain, so I asked her if she wanted to get up and go this morning before work. And she's like, Daddy, I want to sleep in. It's the last week of school. So I get that. But I needed to get this bait in the water, so I came out this morning early before work, and I wound up with a couple of catfish that I really want to try out and do a catch, cook, and see. Yellow cat versus blue cat. Which ones do you prefer? Do you like a yellow catfish or a flathead or an Appaloosa, as they call it? Or do you like blue catfish? Some people like channel cats. I prefer a flathead. I think the flathead is probably one of the best eating fish in this entire lake. That includes crappie, that includes shellcracker, or whatever you like. I prefer a flathead. Tell me what you like. Called a buddy of mine. He said he wanted to get one of these flatheads from me, and called him this morning, and he's like, man, I don't have time to deal with it. So I'm gonna cook it up. I talked to my dad this morning and said, hey, what do you think? Do you think you want to try them? He's like, yep, I think I'm up for the challenge. So I hope this one don't break off. Folks, retie your lines. I just watched my buddy fishing with TR talking about getting ready for going out on a trip and how important it is to check your lines and to retie them often. I've been out here this morning maybe 10 minutes. I don't have a ton of bait. Got some good bait, but I don't have a ton of bait, and I am 2 for 2 with that right there. That's my dumb fault for not retying my lines. I almost did it yesterday. I came out yesterday afternoon, started raining, got the bait, decided not to fish because of the rain and lightning. Should have retied, but I didn't, and now I'm 2 for 2. Dumb. Dumb. Feels very, very flatheadish. Yep, indeed, it is a flathead. Not a bad fish. Patience is a virtue that I do not possess. Oh, come here, buddy. Come here, guy. Man. All right. Good eater. I got a buddy of mine who I think wants one of these, so let me check with him before I put him back. This is perfect size to be frying up. Oh man, yeah, this is fun right here.
What's that?
Catching fish before work.
Oh. But yeah, I'll let you get back to catching them.
All right, buddy. Well, I'm checking in with you. I'll get you another one sometime.
Yeah, I appreciate it, because like I say, I do want it. I just ain't gonna have time to fool with him today.
Yeah. If you like yellow catfish, if you like blue catfish, I got your whatever flavor you like now.
Yeah, I like the flathead.
Yeah, this sun gun right here is mad. But all right, well let me deal with this thing.
All right then.
See you, buddy.
We'll see.
Bye. All right, got 2 different flavors now. We got a yellow and a blue. And they're both perfect size fish to eat. Just about too big for boat flip, but not quite. I hear you, buddy. You're right at 10 pounds. Maybe 9 or 10. That's absolutely perfect fish to eat. Yeah, that's a blue cat and a yellow cat. Which one do you think tastes better? Let me know. Flathead or blue? I think I'm gonna fry them up and see if my wife can even taste the difference. Maybe cook some for Pop. He'll like that. All right, y'all. It is almost 8 o'clock, not quite. I think I'm gonna wrap this thing up and get cleaned up, get to work, and fry some catfish later. Y'all stay tuned. All right, what's up, YouTube? Got our cooking compare fixing to go down. What we got here is the blue cat and the flathead. Now, when you look at these fish, you really can't tell a whole lot about them. A little bit, maybe a little bit more bloodline in this one right here. This one's a little bit whiter. I'm telling y'all, flathead has got some white meat. But we're gonna try to keep them separated best we can and cook them up. So, y'all, this is the blue cat, and when I prepared it, when I was dressing the fish, I didn't drain it very well, but this is what it looks like. So pretty good white meat, but there's some pink in these nuggets that I've got here. Overall though, like, it looks pretty good. That one right there still got a little bit of the stomach lining on it, but that blue catfish is good stuff. Y'all, this right here, that is what makes fish taste good. That's the secret. What he's doing now is, we've got a bowl of egg and salt and pepper. Got a catfish, you take it from here to there, and you put it there and then stick it on that. And then once our grease gets hot, we'll stick it in there. Use a little bit of that peanut oil. I know what I do need is some tongs. We got some. Your mama gonna kill me. Making a mess. Woo! Old Justin Wilson be proud about how much Old Bay I put in there. I guarantee. True. What do you think? How's it look? Looks like fish. Looks like fish. Are you a fish fan? Fish is alright. What do you think about that?
Well, it's pretty soft, pretty tasty. I like that one.
You going back for more?
That one better.
Yeah? That's flathead. Yep. Told you. He had no idea which one.
That just has a better, I don't know, that one just doesn't taste fishy, that one just tastes like better meat.
They're both good though.
Yeah.
They're really good.
It's not much of a difference, but that one just is a little bit.
Yeah. Y'all heard it here, folks. Oliver likes the flathead too. Telling y'all, that is a good fish to eat. Get you one. About 10 pounds, perfect. Any bigger than about 15 or 20, they're actually still pretty good even when they get really big, but keep those big ones. Let those big ones go make more big ones. Those small ones though, 10 to 15 pounds or under, get you one. Fry it up. Got plenty of catfish right here. Caroline, you like catfish, I think.
I've never tried.
Well, come here.
I
Give it
don't
a shot.
like fish. I don't like fish.
Give it a shot. You gotta try that piece and then try this piece.
Here.
That's good.
Oh, it's all good.
Just trying to test, see which one's better.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Did you use different batter or different fish?
You're good.
I mean, they're tit for tat, I think.
My calculator.
I think they're the same.
You can't taste no difference in them? She doesn't have a refined palate. The catfish.
Not a catfish palate.
Look, my
She
calculator.
likes to catch them though.
But I will eat this.
You know, but she wants that one, see there?
I don't say it was bad. Good.
Good stuff. Blue was on the left, Flathead was on the right. She likes them both, so and I do too. Y'all, we got enough catfish. I think Oliver's gonna take his catfish up with him to church and feed some of them boys and girls up there about to do that devotion. Y'all, every now and again, I do like to eat them. I don't eat them often, but I do eat them every now and again. That blue catfish was just as good as this flathead catfish, but this flathead catfish is very good. So, the verdict is in. They're both delicious. What's your favorite? You like flats, catfish? You like shell cracker? You like blue catfish? You like town catfish? Or do you not even like fish? Some people just like to catch them. I don't know. I think they're all delicious.
If you made it this far in the video, comment down below what type of fish you like best.
Blue catfish? Or flathead catfish? Or shell cracker? Or crappie? Or walleye? I don't know. I ain't never caught a walleye in West Point Lake. Appreciate you guys watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, share with your friends. Appreciate you guys' support. Y'all take care. Catch you on the next one.